so put your fucking mask on.
Why are y'all creepy?
You grab it. Yeah, we're a cooking show now. To start off, we need 1 cup of cream cheese. So we don't have enough butter.
You know butter is better for you anyways.
Then we use butter scraps and olive oil to salvage as much as we can to make half a cup of butter. We added 3/4 cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
49.
You have to put 49 drops.
I'm not putting 49 drops. I'm just gonna wing it.
That's too much.
No, was it?
And put it all together. Next, we need 1 cup of flour that will be poured in very slowly. After making use of my handy Oreo dispenser to get exactly 15 Oreos, I had the brightest idea of putting them into the blender instead of mashing them up.
This is the Nutribullet.
It obviously didn't work out, so I made Evelyn mash it up by hand.
This actually is easier than I thought.
It's finally time to put everything together in the hands of my
unpaid intern.
And while she was doing that, I decided to practice my camera work. I just ate my own hair.
Oh my god, how did it go? I don't get what you mean by dead emoji.
Clean up. Clean up.
Squidward speaking.
Five hours later.
Why are y'all so
Put your
creepy?
fucking mask on.
Why are y'all creepy?
Disgusting creatures. Get out of my sight.
Is it 6 feet?
I love you. Yes. I love you.
That is so big. That is too big.
No, that's perfect.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be a big ass
That's gonna be a big ass good. Do you guys want to help?
No. Oh, that bitch is hot. We took out the cookies at the recommended time, but since they were 2 inches thick, they were raw inside, so it's not their time yet.
Yo, yo, yo! ¡Ah!
Bueno, compartan la pez. Siempre se ve una pez grande y era el tamaño de la pez. A ver, las cookies. Ah, está bien.
Buenísimo.
Eat the big one.
Towards the infantry. He stayed.
Oh, it's actually good.